Guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss using the MySQL and Python programming how to delete data inside of our MySQL database. So to begin with, we have already started our sum control panel, and we will be opening our local host, which is holding our PHP admin, and let's open our Python idle program. Now let's do the code. Okay, let's create a new file and let's do the code. So let's type first the program name. This is the MySQL delete Python. Okay, and we're going to type the date. Today is January 3, 2022. And then let's import our MySQL dot connector, and then let's type dbcon. This will be the name of our connection. MySQL dot connector dot connect, and open parentheses. Let's type the host is equal to the local host, or you can type the 127 local host separated by comma, and then you have the user. We have the default one, the root. You can change your user. Don't forget the comma separated, and we have the password. Actually, we did not set any password. We just set it empty, and the database name is equal to Python, the same database that we are using in this tutorial. Okay, let's close the parentheses. Next is we're going to type the mycon is equal to dbcon dot cursor method. Okay, let's type the SQL or the SQL variable is equal to delete from data info. This is the name of our table, data info, where age is equal to 34. So we're going to delete this record. Okay, so it's going to close this one. It's going to delete this record. Okay, having the ID 101. And then just type mycon dot execute, the name of our variable SQL, and then let's display the record. There will be the result is equal to mycon dot fetch all. You can use fetch one if you're looking only for single data. For x in result colon, and then print x. Okay, and then let's print mycon dot row count, and then let's type record deleted. Okay, now as you can see, this is the default way around how we're going to make a MySQL command. However, in this new era, we are avoiding the SQL injection attack, which is the most common way how hacker is attacking our SQL. To avoid the SQL injection, we're going to use escape placeholder. Okay, escape value using the placeholder %s. So how are we going to do that? Just type here %s, although the old one is working, but we're going to use the placeholder %s using that escape values. Again, then let's pass and then the variable val is equal to, we're going to specify here open parentheses, whatever be the value, and then comma, close parentheses, and then of course we're just going to insert here the name of our variable val, okay, holding the value 34. This is way around using this escape value to avoid the SQL injection attack. But don't forget to insert also the dbcon. Okay, let's get the name of our connector, a dbcon variable dot commit. So we're going to commit it in our database so that it would refresh. Okay, and then let us save, click file, save as, and then let's insert in our drive D, which is a location of our folder, and we're going to look upon our Python program, and we're going to type here MySQL delete dot py. Okay, and we're now ready to go. Just click run and run module. Okay, it display one record deleted, so that it comes from here. So we're just going to close this one, and let's reload this. If data is totally deleted in our database, so just click reload, and there we go. The data having the age 34 is already deleted. So that's it. How are we going to delete data inside of our database using MySQL and Python programming? Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.